this is Disha Klane and I am current student of 80 Sir Easy English Spoken classes in Tellara, and this is my friend.
Yes, I am also a current student of 80 Sir Easy English class. My name is Gayatri Ashok Pisset. Today's our topic is why is book important. So friends, why is book role important in our student life? So as well as you know why is book important, and you think that why is book important according to me, because book is advantages of ourselves, and book is very valuable thing according to me. So what can you say about that?
Yes, I am totally agree with you. So friends, as long as we read the book, means as long as the lot of books are available in this world, and we with the mind, if we with the mind read this book, so in our life we success. If you see the lot of people in her life, in his life, these people is success. Why? Due to the book. Because from the childhood we read the book, means from the from the childhood, that's time we read the book. So in the means in the middle age, that's time we success in our life.
Yes.
Now this time also we speaking, we are discuss on that topic. Why? Because we read the book, and now this time we speak in front of the lot of people. So what is
I'm totally agree with you. One successful person is behind the head of our book.
Yes,
Because
yes.
this book is very knowledgeable book in their life, and this person is read book on their childhood, and now this time this person is successful person, as like you see engineer, doctor, and any one person is successful due to book, and with the help of book you will do anything, and you can do possible anything due to book. Suppose you learn.
Even we poor
Yes.
in our life, even we poor in our life, despite of the book, means that's time we have no any, means that's time we have no means we poor in our life, that's time we have no any fan, means not any means that's we have
Yes,
no
I'm
book, the
tot- I'm-
bag, not any
Yes.
any means any book are available in us, but due to the books we read the book and success in our life, and after that we remember this moment.
Yes, if the successful, you see, if the successful person in successful person, in their
We
life
see the
is a
success.
very painful story
Yes, yes.
after he, before he does a very hard work, and after he will brighter their future, and he achieves their thing. That's when you spoke this person, and you spoke
Only
this
we
person.
see the successful person, but this successful person means behind us, this successful person is so painful story. Means this person is thinking that if I read the book, how to have, means from the morning till the evening they read the book. So one day, once upon a time, I'm success in my life. So that's why
In
this
the
people.
childhood, he understand I'm like a doctor.
Yes,
This is a goal of their life, and she does book very hardly, and suppose
With the mind also,
yes,
around us, the
and
lot of knowledge also.
she reads book just for fun, and she makes very perfect person their life, and as well as she is the biggest role their life due to book, and if I am read 12th class, that's time now this time I read more book, and I'm doing study hardly now, and after
The
I'm get very grateful marks of due to book, because I read book
Yes, you had to have did that in your life, and you lot of hard work in your life. Means due to the book, we waste the time.
Yes.
If without waste the time, because due to the book we do the book, this is so precious to us, this is so beneficial to us. The book is our encourage, the book is our courage, the book is our everything, you know. So
Yes, I'm totally agree with you. Friends, you should read book with the mind, and you take care our book, and you like our discussion. So friends, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.